The Chinese company Doll, one of the largest manufacturers of robotic dolls in the country, has begun implementing artificial intelligence technology into its robots to enhance the user experience and boost sales. The company released a video showcasing its production process and the integration of artificial intelligence. Thanks to the incorporation of large language models, the robots can engage in conversations with users, remember previous discussions, and adapt to user preferences. Users can choose from 8 different personalities for their robotic doll, including gentle or lively, allowing for a customized interaction experience. The robots are equipped with features that mimic human-like movements such as blinking and have soft, skin-like textures, making them even more realistic. The integration of artificial intelligence aims to create a stronger emotional connection between robots and users. In essence, robots have taken one step closer to understanding living people, which is both fascinating and unsettling at the same time. The Chinese company Doll has unveiled a new model of its ultra-realistic robotic doll named Mana, which is virtually indistinguishable from a real person. Doll is a high-tech company specializing in the creation of realistic robotic dolls, collectible figures, mannequins, and artificial intelligence-powered robotic machines. The company combines the expertise of leading Chinese sculptors, digital artists, and modern three-dimensional technologies to develop highly realistic products. Mana is made from semi-medical grade silicone, ensuring a lifelike skin texture and long-lasting durability. Her internal frame is constructed from an alloy with movable joints, allowing the robotic doll to assume various poses, including realistic finger movements. Thanks to collaboration with professional sculptors and the use of three-dimensional technologies, Mana features an exceptional level of detail and realism. The Chinese continue to amaze the world with their innovations in robotics industry. Recently, Shenzhen Yuejiang Technology released the world's first intelligent humanoid robot named Dobot Atom, capable of operating in cross-scenario and multi-block interactions to perform complex generalized work tasks. It weighs 62 kilograms and stands at 1 meter 53 centimeters tall. It features 41 degrees of freedom throughout its body and is equipped with a 7-degree bionic industrial-grade jointed arm with a repeatability accuracy of 0.05 millimeters. Additionally, Dobot Atom has dexterous coordinated control of both hands and highly realistic humanoid walking with straight knees. This robot can perform human-like actions such as toasting 2 slices of bread, pouring a glass of milk, or picking up a cherry, tasks that previously posed significant challenges for the precision of robotic hands and fingers. The humanoid robot MagicBot, which was developed by the Chinese company Magic Lab, has recently mastered straight-legged walking and running. These abilities bring robots closer to more natural and efficient ways of movement characteristic of humans. MagicBot is equipped with 42 degrees of freedom, providing high flexibility and maneuverability. Its arms can lift loads weighing up to 20 kilograms, while the total carrying capacity reaches up to 40 kilograms. The robot is made of high strength and lightweight materials, allowing it to operate autonomously for up to 5 hours. MagicBot has demonstrated the ability to walk and run with straight legs, reaching a speed of approximately 7.2 kilometers per hour. These skills enable it to move efficiently across different surfaces, expanding its applications in industry and other fields. Additionally, the robot can work in coordination with other devices, performing tasks on production lines such as product inspection, warehouse management, and material transportation. The Chinese company Zhiwan Robotics has made a significant breakthrough by introducing the world's first universal foundational model complex for embodied intelligence called Genie Operator 1. This innovative development equips humanoid robots with a kind of brain, greatly expanding their functional capabilities. One of the key advantages of Go1 is its ability to learn by analyzing internet videos and demonstrations of human actions, enhancing its understanding of human behavior and improving interactions with people. The model has a high generalization capability, allowing robots to adapt to new tasks and environments with minimal data, or even without it, reducing the costs of further training. Additionally, Go1 supports transferability across different robot forms, enabling quick adaptation to various platforms and collective enhancement of intelligence. The model is also capable of continuous evolution, learning from the data gathered during task execution, making robots smarter with each use. We move once again to China. This time, engineers from Taishan Culture and Tourism Group Property Management have tested robotic dogs designed to help clean up waste in a scenic tourist area. These robots are four-legged machines developed for operation in challenging environments. They can move steadily across rough terrain, climb stairs, ascend steep trails, and navigate obstacles up to 40 centimeters in height. Their design allows them to maintain balance even on slippery surfaces, making them indispensable in areas where traditional cleaning equipment is ineffective. The robotic dogs are equipped with powerful batteries that provide up to 4 hours of autonomous operation. They can carry up to 120 kilograms of waste at a time, significantly reducing the workload for workers who previously had to carry trash manually. Here is the latest robot model named Lingxi X2, which the Chinese company Agibot presented recently. This unique robot differs from all previous models of the company. Lingxi X2 integrates 3 key intelligent systems: movement, interaction, and task execution, making it as mobile and flexible as a human. The robot is equipped with advanced technologies that allow it to move smoothly and accurately in various environments, maintaining balance and adapting to changing conditions. Thanks to artificial intelligence integration, Lingxi X2 can effectively interact with users, recognize voice commands and gestures, and adapt to different communication scenarios. The robot can perform a wide range of tasks, from simple manipulations to complex operations, expanding its application across various industries, including manufacturing, service, and education. Google has made a breakthrough in integrating artificial intelligence into robotic machines. The AI models developed by Google DeepMind are called Gemini Robotics and Gemini Robotics ER. They will help robots better understand the real world, interact with people, and perform complex tasks. Now robots can adapt to new situations without training, precisely interact with objects such as folding paper or opening a bottle, and better understand people and their surroundings. Robots have also learned to assess whether it is safe to perform an action in a specific situation. Additionally, a robot constitution has been developed, a set of rules inspired by Asimov's laws. Testing of these new AI models has already begun at companies like Agile Robotics and Boston Dynamics. Moreover, Google DeepMind and Apptronik are working on developing a new generation of robotic humanoids. This is a significant breakthrough, and in the near future, we can expect truly intelligent robotic machines. Write in the comments what you liked most after watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. Goodbye.